So this is my coffee maker I've had for like the last 5 or 6 years. A friend of ours here in Costa Rica gave me the frame and the pot. My daughter painted this back. So what I want to do, because this thing is getting pretty old, I'm going to save the painting from my daughter, take this thing apart, and then try to replicate it with some scrap wood I've got here and the Woodsman. For anybody who doesn't know, the traditional way of making coffee in Costa Rica is basically to fill this cloth sock with coffee grounds, and you just pour the hot water on the top. It drips down below into there. So anyway, I think I've got enough scrap lumber here, but we will find out.
Somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. On top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. When you will be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see.
All right, folks, so it is done. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Everything on this project was done with only the Woodsman. Used the point to drill the hole right here, and of course the blade to trim that piece of wood. I stuck the wood in boiling water for an hour or so after I kind of took wood off the inside there, and I still didn't really trust it, so I wrapped it in jute twine to kind of hold everything together. But it seems to handle the weight of the bag really, really well. Didn't have any problems with that. I used the saw to do the cut here, here, and here part of the way down, and then just use the blade as a wedge to split this out. I used the saw for a dovetail cut here. Worked really, really well. And this is just scrap wood. Like I said, that's all I was using for this. It will see a lot of it's going to see a lot of use. The last one I've used for like the last 6 years straight. The bag, I can get these at the local supermarket. They're like maybe $1 for a bag, and they last forever. The bag just fits right on the inside. Fill this with coffee. Have your pot underneath there. Pour boiling water over the top, and that's what brews your coffee for you. This is a traditional way of drinking coffee in Costa Rica, or making it. And I'm going to butcher this. I think it's chorer, but I might have that wrong. But it works good, and it was a lot of fun building this with the tracker, with the Woodsman. That tracker curve came in very handy on leveling and rounding all the parts, especially in there. With this piece, with this limb, I cut down into it till I could see that the center core wood, and just trimmed it that way all the way around. Tried to leave the outside as much as I could for strength, and turned out great. So anyway, I hope you all are doing well. And as always, stay safe, take care, and God bless.